Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the account and visibility settings because a wrong login is the most common cause. Sign into the exact Google account, then open Drive and scan Shared with Me and Recent. Once done, check Trash and Filters. Deleted or filtered files can vanish from view. Make sure your storage quota isn't full. Drive may block syncing. If you use multiple Google Workspace domains, switch accounts to ensure domain-level sharing hasn't locked the sheet away. Next, perform targeted searches and leverage recovery tools to locate the file. Use Drive search operators, title, owner, type, spreadsheet before or after, to narrow results quickly. Once found, check activity and version history to confirm edits or moves. That explains why it disappeared. If you can't find it, ask collaborators to resend a link or check shared folders and shared drives. For Workspace accounts, contact your admin to search Google Vault or restore deleted items within the retention period. Finally, restore and secure the sheet so it won't disappear again. If it's in trash, restore immediately. Workspace admins can recover items within the retention window. Once restored, make a copy, set explicit sharing permissions, and add collaborators by email to reduce future access issues. If you still can't locate the file, troubleshoot. Sign out and back in, clear browser cache, disable extensions, and confirm Drive is syncing. If all else fails, contact Google Workspace support.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.